Hey y'all, it's your girl Lex and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a highly requested video. This is my everyday makeup routine. If you like this look, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Okay, so I think I'm gonna talk through this video. I don't know if this is a makeup tutorial or get ready with me. Honestly, I really don't know, but for now, I'm gonna talk through it. And I didn't even do my eyebrows first, which I usually do off camera, but I'm being real brave, like it's not going on 5:36 in the morning. So I'm gonna definitely probably have to come back and clean up my eyebrows, but for now, I'm happy with how they look. So I'm gonna be hydrating with two things. I'm gonna be using this Red Retinol Serum to hydrate, and this is a small little like sample size, but a little goes a long way with most of my products. I already had that probably like, I want to say a month, and it's still a generous amount in there, and I'm so happy because I actually went on my Red's website and they're a little expensive. I'm going to be using this Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum by Fresh. It's a balance of hydration and nourishment, and I've been using this probably for, I want to say a couple days now, probably like 4 to 5 days. Because I just received this product and it feels so good because my skin is so dry. Even though it's springtime, it's still pretty cold, and my skin has still been kind of having little eczema patches. I'm going to be taking this Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream by Fresh, and I'm going to be using this. It's like kind of like a primer for my lips. I just want to get my lips a little moisturized. I want to just hydrate my lips because they're feeling a little dry. I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer to prime my face. So I like to do a little mixture when I use foundations because my skin tone is kind of like a mix between two shades. I feel like one of them is closer to my actual skin color, but I still like to mix like here and there. I don't have to per se, but it's just something that I like to do from time to time. I'm going to be using this IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream and Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum with SPF 50 in the color Rich Honey, and I only use a little bit of this because I'm going to be using another color. So I kind of like just put it in my T-zone area. I'm going to be using this Real Techniques brush. It's the number 217, and I just got this brush, I want to say a month and some change ago, and I absolutely love this brush. It is so freaking perfect. But I got a new backdrop. How y'all feeling this? It's not even new. It's just like new to my channel because I got it when I actually got this actual like backdrop set up with the lights and all of that. But all this time I'm thinking it can't be ironed. Whole time it can be ironed. I'm thinking it was gonna like melt like plastic, but the texture of it is not even like plastic like I was thinking. So I don't understand why I would think it was gonna melt. I don't know what be running through my mind sometimes, honestly. Like at some point I tried to iron it with like a towel over top and it didn't work. Like it was still really wrinkled because like I keep it under my bed and it was just not working out at all. I stipple my makeup in first into my skin, making sure it's pressed in first, and then blend it out. Because you don't want to put the foundation on your face and then just start blending it out because it's like you're wiping the makeup away. Does that make sense? I'm going to be using this Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation in Macau. I still don't know how to pronounce this foundation name. I sound so illiterate sometimes. I don't know why I'm like this. But a little goes a long way with this product too. I'm saying a little, but I'm really applying a generous amount. Interesting. I'm taking the same Real Techniques brush, the 217 one. And I'm going to pat it into my skin first, like stipple. I'm going to stipple it first, I should say, all over, and then blend out. This color is more so my actual skin color, but I could definitely go up a color. I really probably could, honestly. But I don't think it oxidizes. It doesn't get darker over time. So I'm really happy about that. And I really love this Nars foundation. This little bottle, because you know this is not like the full size one. This size bottle has lasted me, it's about to be 4 months and I still got product in that bottle. I'm shocked. Like, I want to buy that $50 one because I have no problem splurging on makeup to a certain degree. And I want to get the $50 one because I feel like it's definitely worth it. And it probably will last like a whole year because I think this little one probably could last to 6 months because I'm going to get all that product out of that bottle. We're almost 4 months in and I still have a nice amount. And I will pick the latest time to do my makeup. It is 5:08 a.m. and I am sitting here doing my makeup. Like, I'm not about to have to take it off as soon as I do it, but I'm actually not. I'm probably gonna make some TikTok videos and then I'll probably take it off. But when I do my makeup late like this, I was gonna stay on for at least an hour or two because I need to feel like it's not being wasted. I don't even wear makeup outside anymore, especially right now with this going on. It's just so crazy. You know, you gotta wear masks, so it's no point, I feel like, of me putting no makeup on because it's gonna get ruined by the mask. So I like to take this e.l.f. Kabuki face brush, and when my foundation is done, I like to just go over it. I feel like it smooths it out. This might not even be the case, it might not even be true, but this is just something I like to do. I feel like it locks my foundation into place. Don't wipe your eyebrows off. Like, you gotta be really careful. Now, don't do that. So after I do my foundation, I usually do my lashes. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll probably do that off camera, but I will be using these 25mm lashes. I don't know the brand. I'll leave all the products below in the description box. So I did my lashes. I put my big blinks on. These things are so long. I'm feeling like I'm a little oily because of these lights and all of that oil that I use. So I'm gonna be taking this Real Techniques 200 brush, and I'm just gonna go back over top of this foundation with this clean brush. I'm gonna be contouring with this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm not using all of these. I'm literally just using the contour. Now you can use all of them to be super snatch, especially that little sculpt one, but I don't want to use all of them. I just don't want to do it. And I always like to contour my nose first. Now I'm going to be using this Real Techniques brush 421 to contour my cheeks. Now I'm going to take this small contour brush. I don't know. It says something glam. I don't know. I'm going to have to literally Google this to find out what's the name because it's kind of faded off. I can't even see what the name is. I had this brush for a little minute. And I love the contour first, just in case it's too harsh. I can just use some concealer to definitely correct what I don't like. I'll be using this LA Girl concealer in the color Fawn. I love this shade, y'all. You don't need a whole bunch, but you can use a generous amount if you want to. I'm just not gonna go dumb with it. And I like to put some on my nose on the side, especially because I got so much contour on my nose. I'm going to be using this Luxie I think this one is the precision blender to go underneath my eyes because it's really small, so I'm really guessing this is the precision one, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend this concealer out. If I like to take a clean foundation brush and just go over the concealer just a little bit to clean that up. I'm gonna take this kabuki face brush and pick and stipple it in and blend any harsh lines out to clean it up. I high key need to go back over my brows before I'm done. I'm gonna use this, I don't know what the name of it is, but the brush is the small contour W07 brush. And I'm gonna take my MAC blush in the color Swiss, and I'm just gonna put it to the apples of my cheek. Kabuki face brush. I'm going to be taking this Airspun translucent powder, and I'm going to lightly set my face in specific places like under my eye. I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender puffer to do it. And since my skin is super dry, I need to be dusting away this under eye part because this powder will cling to any dry spots. Like, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna leave it kind of like on the side of my nose for a second, just for now. I'm gonna just put a little under where I contoured for like a more defined look, for that extra snatched, like pull you by the ponytail snatch look. Cause I don't have no cheekbones. Like, my face is so fat, like cheekbones non-existent. But honey, I'm about to create some thumbnail. I'm just taking this Real Techniques, the smudge liner, to go back in them brows real quick. Cause yeah, they need to be more defined. Definitely needed that. Yeah. I need my eyebrows arched so bad. Who else is like really stressed about their brows? Like, my eyebrows need to be arched really bad. Like, I can do them with Nair and stuff, but it's not the same. Now I'm just dusting away this satin powder on my nose. That nose looking real snatched, huh? And I'm going to dust away the powder underneath of that contour line on my cheeks. So I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild highlighter. It's in the color Awesome Blossom. It's like that. And I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques fan brush. It's 420. It's the number. And I'm definitely about to have some fun with this highlight. So I like to do the tip of my nose and then the cheeks. Boom. 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 I'm gonna take this kabuki face brush and I'm definitely going over this highlight. I'm going to just like stipple over top because it's too much. Because this color is so freaking pigmented. You don't need a whole bunch. To line my lips, I'll be using this NYX Cosmetic lip liner or eye pencil in the color Cappuccino. I'm going to be taking this NYX Lingerie. I really blanked out. Wow, I spaced out. What is this? This lip gloss in the color Satin Ribbon. It's like this really cute nude. You can wear it like this, but she needs some gloss. I'll be using this clear lip gloss. I got it from the hair store. It's literally like $1. It's nothing fancy. And I'm just gonna apply this over both of these colors. I'm gonna be using two mascaras. One is this Pretty and Petite volumizing mascara, and then I'm gonna be using this Hourglass Caution Extreme mascara. Using both for different things. So I'm gonna be going into this Norvina Volume 2 palette. And I'm only going to use one color, literally, but I love this palette. I'm going to be using the color C1 in my tear duct, and I'm going to be using this Real Techniques brush. It's the lip smudge brush, but it's perfect for my tear duct. I'm going to be setting my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I'm back, and this is the final look. Super simple, super easy. I would be lying if I said it didn't take long, but let me see what time it is. It's 6:04 a.m. and I started this like 4:30, so definitely did take some time. But that's all I had for this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.